We will see chapter 4 quadratic equations part 2 exercise 4.1 question number 2. Already we have seen in part 1 how to factorize quadratic equations. Clear? Using that we will see the second problem. In the second problem, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Here the verbal form is given. You have to convert into quadratic equation in mathematical form. Here this verbal form you have to convert it into mathematical form, that is quadratic equation. Okay, how to convert? You have to read the problem very carefully. So according to the problem, only what you can convert by using the condition. What condition given in the problem? Here the condition you have to use it properly. Then you have to find out the quadratic equation. First frame the quadratic equation, then you can find out the solutions by using factorization method. Here you see. First problem, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters squared. 528 meters squared. The length of the plot in meter is one more than twice its breadth. One more than twice its breadth. So we need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. So we need to find out the length and the breadth of the plot. For that you have to frame the quadratic equation. That is the problem. Clear? So here what you have to do is first is read the condition properly. The length of the plot in meter is one more than twice its breadth. So here we have to decide correctly. How to decide? Okay, what is unknown here? So if you keep the unknown as breadth, here let the breadth be x meter. Then easily we find out the length of the plot. So how the length of the plot? Length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. That means twice its breadth means 2x. Plus one more means plus 1. One more means plus 1. Here. So solution, let the breadth of the plot. Breadth of the plot be x meter. That the breadth of the plot is x meter means easily we can find out the length of the plot. Therefore, length of the plot is twice the breadth means 2x. Then one more means plus 1. 2x plus 1 meter. Okay. Now one more condition is given. You see the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters squared. You know area of rectangle, length into breadth. You know here we have length and breadth. Okay, so apply that. But or by data, it is given area of plot. Area of plot equal to 528 meters squared. What is area of plot? Length into breadth. Equal to 528 meter squared. Length into breadth. Area of plot is rectangular form. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So 528 meters squared. What is length here? 2x plus 1 into breadth is x. Now what you have to do is you just multiply this x means 2x squared plus x is equal to, or bring this 528. This side means minus 528 equal to 0. So you have to remember that quadratic equation in one variable. You have to always convert the equation in one variable using quadratic equation in one variable. Clear? That's why better use one variable. Clear? Here you see, you read the problem correctly. Clear? Then you take it breadth as x means easily we can write length according to the condition. Then we can use the formula. Means we will get. Now this one easily we can factorize. According to this problem, this is only the answer. But still, sometimes they may ask find the length and breadth also. So how to find out means use what factorization method. Clear? So here already you know x squared coefficient is 2, constant term is minus 528, 2 into this minus 16, 5, 10, 1056. You have to split into two factors. You have to split it into two factors. Then you have to get the middle term as plus 1. Plus 1. Always take only coefficients. Clear? Plus 1. Don't write x and all. Only write coefficients. Now you have to find out the factors. How do you find out the factors? 1056 you split up into two factors. So here 2 table 5 times 2 times 8. Again 2 table 2 6 4. Again 2 table 1 3 2. 2 table 6 6. 2 table 3 3. Now 3 table 11. That's all. Now all you multiply and see. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 16. Here 6. 66, 16, 63 it will not come. Here again multiply 16, 32, 32, 33, yes. 32, 33 it is correctly coming. Clear? You have to multiply the factors and take the correct two factors. How to take it correct two factors? Here it is coming 32, 33. Or write 33, 32, but here plus sign is there. Middle term is plus sign. So biggest number you take plus, smallest number you take minus. Then only what? While adding you will get, while product you will get. So next what you have to do is here you see the x squared coefficient is what? 2. So 2 you write here. 2x, right? Better. 2x. Here also write 2x you write. Then simplify here 16. Now you can easily write the factor using that. Here 2x plus 33 into x minus 16. X minus 16. This is a very easy method, shortcut method. Here in 10th class, time management is very important. Okay, easily you can find out the factors. Use this method. So now here 2 factor equal to 0 means each factor will be 0. Now what you have to do? Find out x. So bring this one minus 33. So x is equal to minus 33 by 2. It is negative side. So it is not possible because breadth is always positive. Breadth will be positive, but here we are getting negative. So rejected you write. Rejected. Here x is equal to what? 16. So 16 is possible. 16 is possible. If 16 is possible, therefore breadth is 16. Breadth of the block is 16. And length. Length of the plot is how much? 2x. 2 into 16, 32 plus 1, 33. 33 meter, you write. Unit is very important. Okay, so easily we can find out length and breadth of the plot. Clear? Here the question is you have to frame only equation. You have to frame equation. Sometime in exam they may ask in 4 mark questions breadth and find breadth and length also. Clear? Dimensions of the plot means you have to factorize and you have to solve. Clear? So very important. How to factorize, that is very important. So use this method and easily you can get the answer. Okay. Now we will see second problem. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So here the condition given, the product of two consecutive positive integers. Here what is the unknown here? Two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive means next to next number. Clear? Suppose let the one consecutive number be x, means what is the next consecutive number? X plus 1. Okay. Here they ask what? Two consecutive number, positive integer. Okay. X and x plus 1. Understand? Suppose for example you take one consecutive integer 5. How will you get next positive integer? By adding 1. Same way, here we don't know what is the integer. So assume x is one integer. So to get the next integer, add 1. So always remember, consecutive two positive integer means x and x plus 1. Okay. So let the two consecutive positive integer b x and x plus 1. Now come to the question by data. Product of two consecutive integer whose product is 306. So product of two consecutive integer means x into x plus 1, that's equal to 306. Now multiply, ordinary multiply, x squared plus x, this 306 bring this side, minus 300 equal to 0. So this is required quadratic equation. This is required quadratic equation. Now if you want to find out the integers, actual integers means factorize. Okay? How to factorize here? X squared coefficient 1 into minus 306 equal to minus 306. You have to split up, means you should get plus 1. You should get plus 1. So now 306 make factor. Two table, 1 time, 5 time, 3 time, again 3 table, 5 1, again 3 table, 1 7. So 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18, 17 18. Correctly it is coming, 18 into 17. So easily we can find out the factors, suitable factors easily we can find out. Now while here plus sign is there, so make a big number plus, small number minus, adding plus 1 getting product, you will get minus 306. Now since it is a x square coefficient is 1, straight away you can write. Therefore factor, easily you can make the factor. X plus 18 into x minus 17 equal to 0. When you have x square coefficient 1, straight away you take the factor. Okay. Here by x means x plus 18. Here by x means x minus 17 equal to 0. Easily we can write the factors. Okay. Now make it into 2 factor as 0. So x minus 18, x is equal to minus 18 is rejected. And x is equal to 17. Because the question is here positive integer. Question is positive integer. So it is rejected. It is negative. Negative is rejected. Clear? Therefore, x is 17 is correct. X is equal to 17 is correct. Therefore, the two positive integers are 17 and 18. Therefore, two consecutive positive integers are 17 and 18. Next, we will see a third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. You see the condition. Product of their ages 3 years from now means after 3 years. You have to find out after 3 years. Then we would like to find the Rohan's present age. So here the unknown you have to take it as Rohan's present age be x years. Here, then Rohan's mother age. Another condition is given. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So when you take Rohan's present age is x means easily we can find out Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him means x plus 26. More than. Here Rohan's mother age is what? 26 more than Rohan's present age. Clear? So we have to read the question properly and frame the quadratic equations. So let the Rohan's present age be x years. X years. Therefore, mother's age is equal to x plus 26. Now come to the question here again. The product of their ages. See, by data, in the given problem, you see, another condition, the product of their ages 3 years from now. You have to find out 3 years from now means after 3 years. By data, after 3 years. That is very important. After 3 years, what will be the Rohan's age? Therefore, Rohan's age is x plus 3. And mother's age x plus 26 plus 3. Better you write x plus 26 plus 3. That is x plus 29 years. So after 3 years, you have to find out what will be Rohan age and mother age. Then whose product is given? 360. So you make the product. X plus 3. After 3 years, Rohan age x plus 3, mother age x plus 29. Whose product? 360 given. You make the product equal to 360. Now ordinary multiplication you do. X squared plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 into 29. 27, 87 minus 360, bring it equal to 0. Now you see x squared plus 29x plus 3x, 32x. Here minus is big. So 87 subtracted. Subtract here. Subtract means minus 273. Okay, equal to 0. This is required quadratic equation. This is required quadratic equation. Now to get Rohan's present age means you have to factorize. Clear? So here you have to do factorize here. X squared goes in 1 into minus constant term minus 273, that is minus 273 you have to split up plus 32 you have to get. So how to find out the two factor means you have to do factorization here. 2 table, 1, 2 table we cannot divide. So 3 table, this will be 9 times, this is 1 time again. 7 table, 1 time will go. Then to 21 means 3 times. So 39 7. 39 7 correctly. 3 into 39, 3 into 13, 39, then 7 you take. So like this you have to find out the factors. You have to find out the factors. Now we have to get plus 32. So that big number plus small number minus means adding product you will get correctly. Right? Now since it is x squared coefficient is 1, straight away you write that is x plus 39 into x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 39 equal to 0 and x is minus 7 equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 39, x is equal to 7. But x is equal to minus 39 is not possible. So, it is rejected. This is not possible. Here, age is not minus. So, rejected. Right? Rejected. It is not possible. Therefore, Rohan's present age is 7 years. Therefore, Rohan's present age is 7 years. So now we will see the next problem, fourth problem, very important problem. A train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Then we need to find out the speed of the train. So now see the solution. Let the speed of the train be x km per hour. So here we need to find out the speed of the train. So that is unknown. The speed of the train be x km per hour. Distance covered by the train given 480 km. It is given. Distance covered by the train 480 km. It is given. Is given. Therefore, immediately find out the speed. When you know distance and what is speed, what you can find out? Time. Time equal to distance by speed. Find out time. Therefore, time equal to distance by speed. That is equal to distance is 480 by speed x. Speed x. One more condition also given. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Okay. So one more condition given. If the speed of train be decreased by 8 km per hour, then the speed of the train will be x minus 8 from the actual speed. Okay. When the speed decreased means x minus 8 km per hour. And time taken by the train. Time means distance by speed. Here, what is the distance covered is 480. By speed is this is speed you have to take 8 x minus 8. Okay, now you see the time. Time taken by the train 480 by x minus 8. So when the speed what less, that is decreased, then the time will be more. Here more time. Here more time. This will be what? Less time. This is less time. It will take more. Speed less means then the train will take more time. Speed, actual speed, it is less time. So the difference between the both speed takes what? 3 hours. That means first write more time. Therefore, more times you write minus less time is equal to difference time is 3 hours. So you read the problem, then only you will understand. A train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then you would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That means you have two different speeds. Clear? Train is having two different speed. So both speed time difference is what 3 hours here it is given. Therefore, first you write more time minus less time equal to 3. Okay, if you write like this only, what you will understand and you will not get any confusion. Clear? Or you can write like that also. Here, according to this, you can write it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Means this distance equal to what? This you write 3 plus 480 by x. You can write. Clear? But simply you remember that the difference of the time is 3 hours given. So you write more time speed minus less time speed means it will be easy. You will not get any confusion. So now you take LCM. You take LCM. You have to find out the quadratic equation. So you have to take LCM. This is not quadratic equation. You have to take LCM here. LCM is denominator. You see denominator different factors. Here both you multiply x into x minus 8. You take means this you cross multiply. Means 480x minus 480 into x minus 8. That's equal to 3. Now here there's 480 you take common or just you multiply also, no problem. 480x minus 480x minus to minus plus 480 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 32, 38 by this you multiply x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Now here you see 480x minus 480x get cancelled. Now you cross multiply. 3 into x square minus 8x, that is equal to 3840. See now you can divide this 3 here. Okay, if you have any common factor, you simplify it. Then only what the factorization part will be easy. Here, x squared minus 8x equal to this 3 you divide by 3. 3 you divide means one time will go, 2 time remainder 224 means 8 time. Therefore, x square minus 8x equal to 1280. Therefore, bring this 1280 this side. Means x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. X squared coefficient 1 into minus 1280 is minus 1280. Now you have to split it into two factors so that the middle term you have to get minus 8 means 40, take 40, 32. Correctly it will get 40 minus 32. 40 you take minus, this you take plus. Minus 40 plus 32 is minus 8. Then product you will get correctly. Therefore, when the x squared coefficient is 1, you can write it straight away. X minus 40 into x plus 32 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 40 equal to 0 and x plus 32 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 32 is rejected. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, it is rejected. Take this one. X is equal to 40 is correct. Therefore, speed of the train is 40 km per hour. speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Okay, so I will give some more problems for homework. You do the homework for better practice.